Everyone, I am Sonam and I am from Uttar Pradesh and district Jaunpur. Okay, once again, hello everyone. How are you? I hope you you are good. And you can see the birds are chirping, especially the cuckoo is chirping here, and it's a amazing nature. It's a amazing nature. Okay, if you want to speak language, if you want to try something, okay, you just think why I need English. Okay, why do you want to learn English language? You just think in your mind, why do you want to achieve? Okay, so today my topic is that how to improve your English skill. So main funda is that what take simple sentence. Okay, and most important, that is what you just use simple sentence patterns. Many people try to create long sentence. Don't do this. Okay, you just take simple sentence and try to speak. And please don't get confused. They mixed sometimes. They mixed they mixed words, and they lost their speaking because unclear. But the truth is simple, that what the truth is simple. Okay, you just speaking easier. You can use basic sentence like what sorry like I feel this. I want a pen. I want to achieve this. I want become this. Okay, I want to play. I want run. I want to eat something. You just say. Okay, and please please try to speak. Okay, and dear, don't afraid, please. And you just take simple sentence. I want. I second is that what I want. I like mango. I like coffee. I like running. Okay, you say this. And please take small sentences as like uh, I feel. You just speak like this. Okay, these simple patterns help you speak simple clearly, and so you don't feel lost. You as your practice. Okay, practice. Do lots of practice. Practice is the most important. Practice is the key of your learning process. Anything, if you don't do practice, you don't have to speak like this language. Okay, got. So dear, you just uh, take simple sentence, and you just slowly speak. And and then after, add more sentences. Okay, more detailed sentence in your sentence. And but in the beginning, you just keep it simple pattern, build easier and fluency. Okay, so strong fluency. So you know you can do it. Okay, English is just like a language. You can speak, yeah, easily. You can speak easily. Okay, if I can speak, you can also speak. Okay, so by the way, my top you can see this is what is this nature. And I'm sitting on the floor especially, and I'm making this video because I want to talk how to speak English language, because I want to talk to you. Okay, so dear, don't don't afraid. English is just like a top. It's nothing. It's a language you can speak. Okay, so my first thing is that what you take simple sentence, and then you add more long sentence. Okay, so you know um, you just think in English. Okay, don't think in Hindi language. You just think in English. Okay, you just think in English. Okay, don't translate. It's not necessary. Don't translate Hindi to English. Okay, you think in English. Most important, you think in English. And second is that what? Second is that you speak daily. Daily you try to practice, speak, daily speak. Whatever. What do you want to say? Okay, you just say, you just speak, daily speak. And first is that what? First is think in English. Second is that speak daily. And third is that use simple sentence in your sentence. Use simple sentence. Okay, don't take long sentence. Okay, if you are beginner, please take small sentences. Take small sentences. Okay, and listen. Listen to carefully, and listening is the most important. Listen on YouTube, listen on podcast, listen whatever, but in case you just listen in English language. Okay, and you can see the wind is blowing here, and you know, so most important, and then you just repeat. Okay, repeat, please. Sorry. You just repeat. I have a cough and cold, that's why my voice is not clear, so please forgive me. And you know, don't fear. Don't fear, please. This is a language, just a language. Okay, why do you want to speak this language? You just clear, because English is, English is just an international language. That's why we want to speak. And English is just your personality. English can develop your personality. Okay, that's why we want to speak this language. That's why we want to achieve this. Okay, and you know, daily speak, take short sentences and just you speak. Don't afraid what people say, don't afraid what anybody think about me. Nobody care of yourself. Only you excuses yourself. Don't make excuses. Okay, you do it. You can do it. You can speak English language. English is nothing. You just say, you um when you get up early in the morning, you just say, yeah, I can speak language. This language is very easy. I can do it. I can do it. You can do it. You can speak. Okay, don't take long sentence. Take a little small sentences, as like, you just say, in Hindi, what is this meaning in Hindi? मुझे जाने दो, let me go. मुझे आने दो, let me come. मुझे सोने दो, let me sleep. Okay, मैं आ रहा हूँ, I'm coming. मैं जा रहा हूँ, I'm going. Okay, you don't need lots of knowledge in grammar. You just need to practice. Okay, so try to speak, please. Speaking is the most important, and listening is the most important. And please do lots of practice. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And you can do it. I know you can do it. Okay, bye bye. Take care. We will meet next video. Bye bye. See you soon.